As someone who has worked with thousands of senior patients, I want to share the most important advice about meal planning tailored for seniors living alone. Eating well is crucial for maintaining your strength, energy, and overall quality of life during these golden years. Many seniors worry about preparing balanced meals when cooking for just one person. You're not alone in feeling this way, but with some practical tips, you can turn this challenge into an opportunity to nourish yourself and enjoy your meals. Let's explore how to make healthy eating enjoyable and manageable. Understanding how your body changes as you age can help you make informed nutritional choices. As we grow older, metabolism slows down, so our calorie requirements decrease, but our need for certain nutrients can increase. Protein becomes essential to maintain muscle mass, while calcium and vitamin D support bone health. It's like maintaining a car engine that requires less fuel yet high-quality oil for smooth functioning. By feeding your body the right nutrients, you ensure it keeps running efficiently. Let's break down these nutritional needs further and how your meals can support them. Recognizing the signs of poor nutrition is fundamental. It's common for seniors to overlook symptoms like unexplained weight loss, frequent fatigue, or muscle weakness, attributing them to normal aging. However, these could indicate nutritional deficiencies that need addressing. Be mindful of your body's signals and consult your healthcare provider if you notice such changes. Being aware doesn't mean being anxious. It's about empowering yourself to take timely actions that can prevent more significant issues. By being attentive, you can ensure you're meeting your body's evolving needs effectively. Creating a balanced diet is key to your well-being. Begin by planning meals that focus on whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Prepare simple, nutrient-dense meals like oatmeal with berries for breakfast or grilled chicken with roasted vegetables for dinner. Batch cooking can save time and ensure you always have something healthy on hand. It's also beneficial to eat at the same times each day to maintain routine and digestive health. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean bland. You can still enjoy variety and flavor in your meals. Moving your body regularly boosts your appetite and supports joint health. Simple activities like daily walks, tai chi, or chair exercises can do wonders. Start small and find what you enjoy most, whether it's stretching in the morning or joining a community yoga class. The goal is to maintain flexibility and strength without straining yourself. Remember, safety is paramount. Wear comfortable shoes, and if you feel any discomfort, adjust the activity accordingly. By integrating movement into your daily routine, you'll enhance your physical health and uplift your spirits. Regular health checkups are crucial for understanding your body's needs. Partnering with a trusted healthcare professional helps you monitor your health markers and address any concerns early on. They can offer tailored advice and adjust any medications you might be on, ensuring your nutritional habits are supporting your health. Make it a priority to schedule appointments at least annually and keep open communication with your doctor about any changes or challenges you face. Your healthcare team is there to support you in living a healthier, more fulfilled life. Mental health and staying connected socially are just as important as physical health. Loneliness can impact your eating habits and overall well-being. Consider joining local clubs, community centers, or online forums designed for seniors to foster connections. Participating in group activities not only lifts your spirits, but also encourages you to try new health habits. Engaging with others can bring joy and a sense of belonging. Adopt a positive mindset, acknowledging the beauty of aging gracefully and the new opportunities each day brings. Your emotional and social wellness are vital components of a balanced life. If you're watching this, you care about your health, and that's already the most important step you can take. Remember, small changes lead to big impacts. Start today by planning a healthy meal or committing to a gentle exercise session. Schedule that overdue medical checkup and reach out to a friend or family member for a chat. Embrace the journey of staying active and nourished as vital to enjoying your life to the fullest. You're equipped with the knowledge and tools to take control of your health, and the benefits will enrich your golden years.